Go. Say nothing. Oh. Okay.
Becky and her friend Amanda. Say hello, girls.
Hi. Oh, you know what we played in gym today?
What?
We played basketball.
Oh.
We won. Oh, our gym teacher leaves. Today's his last day.
Oh no.
His name is Mr. F. Yeah, Mr. F. Mr. F. Oh, his teacher shoes. But we still have Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis got like girl. Yeah. Whoever gets to 10 nothing first wins. Hey, no. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 more to go. Okay, here we go.